Hey, I'm DJ Too Much with 6FigureDJs, and I have experience mentoring DJs all over the US and internationally. Let's talk to DJ The Times, and he'll let you know exactly how our 6-Figure DJ program has helped him grow his DJ brand.
One of the main things that I really learned from DJ Too Much was how to do a contract. So she was kind enough to give me materials to start to build my first contract. And I went from there, and she also was kind enough to let me listen in on client calls. So I got to hear exactly how she was working with her clients, what she was selling them on, how she was getting the agreement done, pricing. So there was a lot by way of business that I was able to learn from her, just how to run the DJ business, how to get the gigs, how to get the deposit, how to book it, and make sure that everything was good to go when you actually did show up.
Click the Learn More link and sign up for your free 14-day membership trial today.